2011 Mercedes C300. We're gonna reset the oil or maintenance reminder light rather. I need to turn the ignition on. It says service be due. So we want to get rid of that message because we've just done the servicing. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So first off, we put the key in. We put it into the first position. So from the off, put it in first position. Don't need to have ignition on fully, just first position. Now we gotta click this as many times as we need to get to the odometer and trip odometer, like so. Now we gotta simultaneously press phone and OK. So we start with the phone and then we add OK and hold it. Then once you hold it long enough, you'll get to Assist Plus. You get this screen that also has the Assist Plus option. So you go there, you press OK, and you just go full service, confirm full service. In this case, we used oil grade 229.5, so we choose that and say yes, confirm. That's done. Thank you for your attention.